I have just shown you how to mount this outdoor TV mount by ZeboZap. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is. Okay, it only involves 2 steps and you do not need any type of tools. The only tool that I'm gonna need to unmount this TV mount from this pillar is my hand. Alright, so the first step is actually to unlock this pin right here. This is a special lock mechanism. Alright, what you can do is you just pull this and then lift the whole TV mount out of the main pillar unit. I'm not going to explain further. Alright, next what you do is this ratchet straps right here. Right here you just have to use 2 fingers. Bottom one first. Okay, unlock pin right here. Open up the ratchet. Click sound, right? Just pull out the strap. I'm doing the bottom one first so that the TV mount does not fall off. We do the top one first. Alright, and then with one hand you just hold onto the main pillar unit and then just click, press these 2 pins. Listen for the click sound. There you go. And then pull out the strap. Not even a minute, guys. Do check out our products on our website or even on Amazon.